For two-tier clinics, stocks must be transferred from store to dispensary, local, in order to be dispensed to patients. To do this, go to the inventory page. Let's search for an item to check the stock level. Select this item. Currently there are 1000 T in store and 0 in local, dispensary. For one-tier clinics, both store and local will show the same quantities. There is no need to transfer stocks from store to local for one-tier clinics. Whether your clinic is one-tier or two-tier can be checked here. This tier setting is done during Intel Sys installation and cannot be changed. To issue stocks from store to local, click Issue. Select Local as the client. Specify the current date. This is the automatically generated invoice number. It is for internal reference and is important if stock is issued to other clients, non-local/non-dispensary. Specify the due date. For issuing stocks to dispensary/local, specify any date here. Due date is important for stock issues to non-local. Search for the item to be issued here. And select from the drop-down list. Only items with available stock will be listed. If the item searched is not listed, it means there is 0 stock for that item. All available batches for this item will be listed here. Select the batch number to be issued. When the batch number is selected, the available stock for this batch will be displayed here. The stock to be issued cannot exceed this amount. Pay attention to the inventory unit here. Enter the quantity to be issued here. The cost will be automatically filled up. Since you are transferring from store to local within the same clinic, this cost is not important and does not affect accounts. If you have more items to dispense to dispensary/local, repeat the same steps in subsequent lines. To add more lines, click on the last number. Up to 20 items can be dispensed in a go by clicking on the last number. This is applicable if you are issuing stocks to other clients, non-local/non-dispensary. This is applicable if you are issuing stocks to other clients, non-local/non-dispensary, where you can specify other non-inventory charges. Also applicable if you are issuing stocks to other clients, non-local/non-dispensary. This is the total of this invoice. Click Enter to save. Note now that the store quantity has been reduced to 500, from 1000, and the local quantity has been increased to 500, from 0. The local stocks can be checked by clicking Local QT by batch. This is the batch that we have just issued from store to local. That's it. You're done.